When planning a home's interior layout, windows often play a bigger role than homeowners expect. The way a window opens, the amount of wall space it occupies, and how it affects furniture placement can influence the overall flow of a room. Casement windows, known for their side-hinged design and outward swing, offer unique advantages when it comes to interior flexibility. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows can make it easier to design comfortable, functional living spaces without compromise. Outward opening design saves interior space. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is that they open outward rather than sliding up, down, or side to side within the frame. In Eagle homes, this means there's no need to leave extra clearance inside the room for window operation. Furniture can be placed closer to the wall without interfering with how the window functions, giving homeowners more freedom when arranging sofas, beds, desks, or shelving. Ideal for compact or multi-use rooms that serve multiple purposes, such as guest rooms that double as home offices, require thoughtful layout planning. Casement windows in Eagle residences allow homeowners to maximize every inch of wall space. Since they do not require interior sliding tracks or lifting mechanisms, they help maintain clean, uninterrupted surfaces that support versatile room arrangements. Better wall utilization. Wall space is valuable, especially in smaller rooms. Because casement windows open outward with a crank handle, Eagle homeowners can install built-in seating, cabinets, or decorative elements beneath the window without restricting access. This opens up creative possibilities for storage and design. Enhanced natural light without bulk. Casement windows typically feature large glass panes with minimal framing. In Eagle living spaces, this allows for increased natural light while maintaining a sleek appearance. The streamlined design supports open, airy interiors and reduces visual clutter, making rooms feel larger and more flexible. Supporting flexible furniture placement. Traditional window styles sometimes limit how furniture can be positioned, especially if the window opens inward or has bulky hardware. Casement windows in Eagle homes eliminate many of these concerns. Their simple outward motion ensures that homeowners can arrange furniture in ways that prioritize comfort and aesthetics rather than window clearance. Encouraging cross-ventilation in open layouts. Open concept living areas are popular for their spacious feel, but airflow can sometimes be uneven. Casement windows open fully outward, allowing Eagle residents to direct breezes into the home more effectively. This supports better air circulation across flexible living spaces, enhancing comfort without rearranging furniture. Seamless integration with modern designs. Modern interiors often emphasize clean lines and minimalism. Casement windows complement this approach in Eagle homes by offering simple hardware and expansive glass. Their understated design allows them to blend naturally with contemporary and traditional decor styles alike. Accommodating built-in features. Built-in shelves, window benches, and custom cabinetry are common design features in many homes. Because casement windows open outward, Eagle homeowners can incorporate these built-ins without sacrificing accessibility or function. Maintaining energy performance. Interior flexibility should not come at the expense of efficiency. Casement windows form a tight seal when closed, helping Eagle homeowners maintain consistent indoor comfort while enjoying adaptable layouts. A practical choice for design freedom. Designing a functional home requires flexibility. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows provide that freedom. Their outward opening design, minimal frame bulk, and expansive glass panels allow for versatile furniture placement and creative interior planning. By choosing casement windows, Eagle residents gain both improved natural light and the ability to design rooms that truly fit their lifestyle, without limitations.